Brainiac. Hit Brainiac. Hit Brainiac. Hit Brainiac. Placebo.
Alright. Yo, what's poppin', y'all? I had to restart the video because the card was full, so we're gonna have to restart the mukbang. It's all good though, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna introduce y'all to my young ones, man. It's my daughters. We're just having some lunch at Valentino's Pizza. How you guys doing today?
Good.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Omar. Both of my names have flowers in it.
It does. Well, both of your names are flower names because you guys are beautiful like the flower.
Check out my channel down below.
Yep, they have a channel. I'm gonna put it in the description. You guys can go check it out.
We can get whatever we want.
I didn't want to be close to where the radio was, but so it doesn't pick up. I don't know if this video is gonna turn out right because it'll pick it up, but
We gotta talk loud.
wow, this would be a good spot. Iris, dang it!
Mama, come
Oh, no. No. Oh, is it? Oh, is that who? There we go. There we go. That's better. Oh, yeah. This is much better. So, guys, we're just eating at Valentino's, man. There's no set conversation for this. All right, cool.
Are you okay? Yeah. And there's even lasagna that has like this chicken stuff in it.
Really?
Yeah. And I ate it all because it's yummy.
It's probably
But it's hard to eat the it's hard to eat the chicken.
Yeah, I don't like it.
What chicken?
I don't like this lasagna from
This
here.
chicken.
Why? I do. I actually like the lasagna.
I
Me
do.
too.
The first time I tried it, I never liked it.
Bless you. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I only like the one that Mom makes.
Mommy does make some pretty delicious lasagna, doesn't she?
I don't like all of the lasagnas. I only like some.
What? Yeah, who makes this one?
Yeah. And I like
I
the
like
one
it.
that Mommy makes too.
You only like the one that Mommy makes?
And I like the one here.
My friend, eat. You're not eating. Every time we go somewhere, you know how much money we spend to be here? You better eat your food
And get full.
and get full.
But maybe not too full, and then we could go to
No,
Urban
you
Airs.
get very full. That doesn't make any sense.
Maybe we could go to Urban Airs.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It
there's
was
a ride I
fun.
used to be scared of. And now I'm not scared of it anymore because I tried it the first time I
The
went
zip
there.
lining?
Really?
But when those, like, they said not to look down, and I told them not to push me really fast, but they pushed me really
Did
fast.
they really?
Yeah.
Are you okay? Did it hurt you that day?
And the one I went on that one,
They
I
said not to look down, but I still looked down.
Me too.
And I wasn't scared.
I looked down too. And Daddy?
Somebody thought that some other girl was Anna, and she looked much more taller than me.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So Mommy thought it was Anna. I don't know why.
Daddy? And I went on that thing when I climb stuff. I was actually scared to get down.
She was
Really?
crying. You went there?
This, you guys gotta try this meat.
No.
No.
It's pretty good. I'm telling you, you're missing out on something delicious.
I'm just getting what I like.
You're just getting what you like. That's exactly what you should do every time. Always got to do what you like, right?
Unless
What's
it
the
gets
point?
you in trouble.
Unless it gets you in trouble, then you probably shouldn't do it. That's true. But sometimes what you like will get you in trouble. But at the same time, you have to be smart. What type of trouble? Is it good trouble or bad trouble? There's a, trouble can be described in a couple different
Daddy?
ways.
There's also like a bad
Wipe your
trouble.
mouth, honey.
Daddy, when you were little, did you mess with a car, with your car?
With my car?
Yeah, when you were little.
What do you mean? Did I mess with my car? Like, did I? What do you mean?
Go inside.
Yeah.
What do you mean, though? Oh, when I was little, do I go inside my parents' car?
Yeah.
Yeah, without having them around. Or they're just sleeping in the house.
I don't know if I. Oh, while they were sleeping in the house? No, I never did such thing.
Well, we
I would
did.
get in trouble if
We actually did, and we got in trouble with mommy.
What did you do? Did you turn on the car?
Yes.
Why would you do that?
Almost
That's not funny.
I was like all the way in the back.
We were little.
That's not okay. When did this happen? Where was I?
I don't know.
Work.
And I think it was the red car.
Yeah, it was.
This is delicious. Ooh wee.
Daddy, now we could have had
I'm gonna eat your food, honey. You're talking
we
so much more
could
than
have
you're
had
eating.
2 blue
It's focusing
cars.
on me.
That's okay. I'm gonna eat your food, honey. Wipe your mouth too.
Daddy, what would you want to do when you're rich? If you're rich?
What would I want to do if I was rich?
Yeah.
Wait, I have a good question for him. Daddy, what would you do if you had $1,000?
What would I do if I had $1,000?
Or 10,000?
If I pick an answer, you got. Let me
Just
answer one first.
10,000.
Okay.
10,000.
What would I do if I had $10,000? The first thing I would probably do is take half of that and open something called a Roth IRA account. You know what that means? Especially for you. So you are young, which you guys are in the process of getting one right now, by the way.
Huh?
You're in the process of getting a Roth IRA. Listen to what I'm saying. You're not listening. You're watching. You're
What
looking
even
at me.
is that?
What?
What even is that?
I'm explaining it. So a Roth IRA is something that will help your future. So it's a savings account. You get money, you put money into it, and it grows overly, it grows little by little forever. It's money that you can't touch though. You're not supposed to touch it unless there's absolutely an emergency. Does that make sense? Okay. So that's the first thing I would do. The next thing I would do with the other half of the money is try to systematically invest into little things that'll help me double that 5. Now I have 10,000 again. Do you understand what I'm saying? You don't understand what I'm saying? So what do you like to do?
I would use $10,000.
No, what do you like to do? I'm not done explaining. What is your hobby? What is the one thing that you would love to do?
Soccer.
So soccer. The first thing I would do if I had 10,000, you already established what I would do. If I had, 10 and I split half. The other half, let's say I wanted to play soccer like you did.
I would not split it half. I just put the whole thing in there, and then I have a lot of money.
Oh my God. You are just like me. Save it. But sometimes you might need.
I have a different idea of see better.
Okay. What's up?
So I would first use it to make a charity for people that don't have money.
A charity for people that don't have money.
Yeah.
Iris, you are such an awesome, spirited person.
Well, actually,
that is a great idea
Daddy,
too.
but I watched the video.
But you have to be smart too. Definitely do that, but you also have to put something away in case for an emergency.
Daddy,
Mm-hmm.
and I at school.
And then
I
I buy a
watched,
mansion.
and at school, I watched the video.
You can buy a mansion with $10,000, honey.
It's more than that.
That's like your monthly. That's like one. That's just 1 month of electricity. Why would you want a mansion?
Daddy, would you want
Why
a
would-
abandoned mansion?
Then I would put the
No.
other one in a safe. I
Daddy,
would put the other money in the
Iris,
safe.
you're not listening to what I'm
Yeah.
saying.
no one's
Putting
listening
your
to
money.
what I'm saying.
I'm gonna give me. I can only talk to one person at a time. What is the? It doesn't make. Listen to what I'm saying. Why would you? Would you rather put your money in a safe and have it just sit there, or would you rather put your money in a Roth IRA bank account? So, Iris, not look at me when I'm talking to you.
If you put it in a safe, you might forget what
Hold on.
the-
Hold on. I'm not done. My point is, are you listening? So if you put your money in a savings account, like let me use just my two hands. Okay, this is a savings account, and this is the Roth IRA account. I mean, this is the Roth IRA account, and this is the savings account, or the safe. If you put your money in the safe, it stays there. It never grows, unless you come and put it there.
But what happens if you
Hold
forget?
on.
What happens if
Hold on, honey, jeez. But look, if you put money in your Roth IRA or savings account, and it grows for little by little over time, which one do you think is the smarter thing to do? What? I can't hear you, honey. You can speak up a
Daddy?
little bit. Am I so loud?
Daddy?
What's up?
Because he likes to be loud.
True.
Daddy?
Yes.
What happens if you forget the code in the safe?
I would put my code in a secret place that no one would find.
Hey, I'm just saying, man.
What happens if you forget what it is?
I won't, because sometimes I can just make a picture of stuff. That's how I remember the things I really like. But I can't forget a passcode.
Daddy, one time I watched a video at school that a little boy just saw people that didn't have money, so he made a company, and only kids were working there. No grown-ups.
Oh, I
kids.
He's
saw
kind of a
that.
genius.
I saw
He's
that.
kind of a genius.
And he made like bags for the people who
Come in the
don't
frame,
have. They made the bags for the people who don't have money.
They're what?
That don't have money.
That's why we have the backpack train.
Really?
But not right now because school's over.
Yeah. In
I'm
the
happy
summer.
because of that.
Mm.
I don't really like school.
You don't really like school?
Well,
Yeah, because it's super hard. The only thing I
Iris,
like
Iris,
about it
Iris.
is the tests.
The tests? If
No.
you then think about what you just said.
I only
If
like
the only thing you
I only
like is
like
the
the
test,
spelling
then
test.
that means it's easy.
what
So,
about your friends?
I don't care about that. I care about getting the education that I need to help people. That's
What's
fine.
education?
You can
What
have
about
friends.
me?
There's nothing wrong with having friends. It's okay.
What about me?
You gotta have friends. Friends will help you. But you have to make sure that you are making the right friends. Not everybody is your friend. That's the one mistake that a
I
lot of
actually
people do.
already learned that because one time I had a friend. She was like the first friend I've ever had, and then she was bullying someone else, and then I became the other person's friend.
Really?
And then she keeps lying to me.
See?
But then we
See?
figured it out and became friends.
That's good. That's awesome. Okay?
Daddy, what happens if I made a company that only has kids work there?
If you started a company, come in frame. I want them to see your face.
Yeah,
If you start a company,
back here.
if you start a company and if you started, let me just keep it short. If you start you can start whatever company you want to start. It's okay.
A
You
restaurant.
you have a lot of time to grow your mind.
I
Okay?
want a
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
All right.
But only kids will work there.
Well, it's up to you. You're the
I'm
boss.
not gonna have
Okay.
kids work there
You're the boss of your own.
because first they have to go through an interview.
What?
They have to go through an interview.
You are the boss of your own company.
Only if I have $10,000 I can
You
do
create.
it.
You don't look. You don't always need money to start a company. Okay?
Yeah, because sometimes money can be bad.
Money can. It depends on how you look at it. Money can. It's the people. Money isn't bad.
Like gold diggers.
Money isn't bad. True. But money isn't bad. People are bad. People use money to do bad things. But guess what? People use money to
Like
do
buy guns?
stuff
I don't
like that. I mean,
in Texas, I saw this store, and it was
People
called.
use-
It was called the gun shop,
Mm-hmm.
and I didn't really like it. Oh, also, like, Auntie Queen, she was like driving us, and I was like looking at the moon because it actually looked like it was so close to the Earth.
Really?
But, yeah, it looked like it was, like if I were able to jump, I would be able to jump on the moon.
That's crazy.
It looked like that.
Let me get a new drink. Hold up.
Hey, can I get a new drink?
Of course you can.
Yes, please, Iris.
Somebody I recognize.
So maybe we'll go to.
They were weekly.
So maybe we won't go to Veneers. What?
Well, then I have to get back. Good to see you. Thank you.
Where's that song even coming from?
Oh, you got glasses?
Don't they look neat?
I'm gonna go.
Big stuff, not blurry.
Can you see better now? That's cool. Someone look
Yo, so this my first time doing something like this, man. You know what I'm saying? So, yo, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'm not playing, I'm going hand with the content. Hopefully it's good content. Hopefully you guys are learning something. Hopefully I'm inspiring you to go out there and create and do what you love to do. You know what I'm saying? Don't let negativity get the best of you, man. I almost let that happen to me. Don't let it happen to you, man. You know what I'm saying? Yo, without further ado, it's your boy Dodo, man. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, man. Spread love, peace, and positivity, man. Follow your dreams, man. That's all that matters right now. Take care of yourself. Peace out, fam.